HighCon series.
See, exercise 2.5. We entered into the exercise 2.5. In this, the first model is combining addition and subtraction. Combining addition and subtraction. Both are combined. Addition and subtraction. Two operations were combined in this model. Under the section A, simplify the following. Okay, let us take two problems on this model. Under the section A, fourth question, what? 3365 minus 1302 plus 2304. In this model, mainly we have to follow two steps. In the first step, what we do? Add the number to the number with the plus sign before it. That is step 1. Okay, children? Add the first number to the number with the plus sign before it. The first number is, here the first number is 3365. We add this first number to the number with the plus sign before it. See, this number is 2304. This number is with the plus sign. So, we add this number and this number first. The two numbers first we add. By adding these two numbers, we get sum. Sum. From that sum, subtract the number with the minus sign before it. Okay, na? From that sum, we subtract the number with minus sign before it. So to this number, before of this number, what is the sign minus? That number is to be subtracted from the sum of these two numbers. Okay, children, the two steps mainly you have to follow. So add the first number to the number with the plus sign before it. I told that's why here. Add these two numbers first. 3365 plus that one. 2305. From the sum of the two numbers, then subtract 1302. Okay, children? So we show the addition here. 3365 plus 2304. Add the two numbers. 5 plus 4, 9. 6 plus 0, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 5660. From this sum, subtract 1. So here, 5, 6, 6, 9. This is the sum of the two numbers. Now from this, subtract what? 1302. 1302. Subtraction, minus. Here. So here minus subtraction. Okay, children. 9 minus 2. How much? 9 minus 2. 7. 6 minus 0. 6. 6 minus 3. 3. 5 minus 1. 4. Okay, this is, we take this as the result of this problem. So here, write steps now. 3365 plus 2304 minus 1302. The two numbers are added 3365 and 2304. How much we got? 5669. The two numbers total minus 1302. Okay, children. After that, what we got here? 4367. This is the answer of this problem. Like this, you come to one more. That is sixth one. Simplify 9896 minus 2723 plus 6560. Okay, so in the step 1, what we do here? In the step 1, add the first number to the number with plus sign before it. That means the two numbers are to be added. That means 9896 plus 6516. Okay, in the step 2, what we do? From this total, we subtract the third number. Okay, na? So, if you want to write the order of this, that means you can write like this. How can you write here? See. 9896 is to be added for 6516. From the total you have to subtract 2723. Now you show the addition. 9896. To this number we add 6516. How much total you can get? You know addition. 6 plus 6, 12, 2, 1 is there. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, here write 1. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 8, 14, 4, here 1 write. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 9, 16. Now, from this sum, now come to step 2. In step 2, from this sum 16412, subtract that number with minus sign before. That means 2720. 2720. Subtract. Minus. Okay. Minus. In the step 1, the first number is added to the number with a plus sign before. To this number before plus sign is there. That's why this number and this last number both were added. 9896 and 6516. How much we got here? 16,400. Okay, from this sum, subtract the number to the minus sign before. Before this number, minus sign is there. That's why from this total, that number is to be subtracted. Now subtract. 2 minus 3 not possible. Take borrow from its before place. That means here 2 becomes 12 and 1 becomes 0. 1 becomes 0. Now here 12 minus 3, how much here? 9. 12 minus 3. 12 minus how much? 9. Here we cannot subtract 2 from 0. That's why ask borrow from the before place. That's why here we write okay, 0 becomes 10 0 becomes 10. 4 becomes 3. 4 becomes 3. Down here 10 minus 2. Here 10 minus 2. 8. 10 minus 2. 8. Here we cannot subtract 7 from 3. So ask borrow from its before place. Then 3 becomes 13 and 6 becomes 5. 3 becomes 13 and 6 becomes 5. Now 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7, how much here? 6. 13 minus 7 is 6. Here 5 is there, no? 5 minus 2, 3. And here 1. Okay, students. 13,689. We can take as the result of this problem. So, how much we got here? The sum of the two numbers is 16,412 minus that number is subtracted 2723. Okay, how much we got here? 13,689. Okay, now this is the answer. Once again, see children here. So the first number is added to the number with a plus sign before it. That's why 9896 and 6516 both are added. I showed the addition here. Okay, from that sum, we subtracted the number with a minus sign before it. That's why 16,412 from that total 2,723 is subtracted. Okay, the subtraction also occur here. Borrowed here 12, 12 minus 3, 9. Here borrowed, no, that's why here 0. 0, from 0 we cannot subtract 2. That's why again taken borrow here. That's why here 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Here 4 gave borrow, that's why here 3. Okay, from 3 we cannot subtract. That's why borrow. 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 gave borrow, no, that's why here 5. 5 minus 2, 3. Here 1. 13,689. That is the answer. Okay, children. Like this, combining addition and subtraction problems we do. Children, now in this section, we are going to solve the word problems. Okay, here in solving these word problems, we show the combination of addition and subtraction. Combination of addition and subtraction. What is the question here? Third question. Add 7,325 to the difference of 6,785 and 10,185. That is the question. In this problem, first of all, what we have to do? We have to find the difference of the two numbers. The difference of the two numbers. Difference means what here? Minus. Difference means minus. That's why the two numbers, on the two numbers we show the subtraction. How much difference is there between the two numbers? Between the two numbers, what is the difference between the two numbers? To find the difference, okay, from big number we subtract small number. From big number we subtract small number. So from 10,185 we subtract 6,785. Okay. Then we get the difference between the two numbers we get. To that difference we add this number 7325 we add. Okay, children. So first of all we have to observe the difference between the two numbers. Okay, children. So we write the question. with in symbolic form. Let the question in the symbolic form. So first of all, we are going to see the difference of that two numbers, and after that we add this. So here 10,185 minus 6,785. To this difference, we add 7,325. 7,325. Okay, students, that is the sum in the simplified, in the symbolic form. This is the symbolic form. So children, here you show the subtraction. Find the difference between 10,185 and 6,785. 6,785. Okay, see the difference. Difference means minus subtraction 10,185, 6,785. So from that big number, subtract this small. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. We cannot subtract 7 from 1. We cannot subtract 7 from 1. That's why take borrow from its before place. So ask borrow. Ask borrow means 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So 1 becomes 11. 1 becomes 11. And here at the top of 0, we write here 9. Why? Because 0 cannot give borrow. We get to borrow from its before place. That's why here 1 gave borrow. 1 gave borrow. That's why here 1 becomes 0. 1 becomes 0. Because here 0 cannot give borrow. Okay, see children now. 1 minus 7, not possible, that's why borrow. Borrow means 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 11 minus 7 is 4. Here 9 is there. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 1 becomes 0. That's why here 0, we need not write here because it has no value before the number. That's why 3,400. That is the difference between the two numbers. To this difference, we add that. That means, okay. So here difference is what is the difference? 3,400. To this, what we add? 7,325. 7,325. Add. Okay, do addition. 5 plus 0, 5. 2 plus 0, 2. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10,725. We'll take this as the answer. So, write steps here. Okay, this is step 1. The step 2, what I show difference I showed. What is the difference? 3,400. Plus, what is to be added? 7,325. Okay now. Next. Here, how much we got? 10,725. 10,725. Okay, students. 10,725. So here, you must show the calculation. You must show the calculation. Without showing the calculation, If you write direct answer, you cannot get full marks. You can't get full marks. Wait. You can't get full marks. So, compulsory you must show the steps. Here you see, in words also you can write the difference of the difference of 6,785 and 10,185 is equal to, how much we got? The difference is 3,400. Next to this difference we add that one. Okay. Then 7,325 is added to the difference is added to the difference. How much? What is the, then 7,325 is added to the difference 10,000 difference what? How much? 3,400. Then 7,325 is added to the difference 3,400. Then the result is equal to, how much we got? 10,000. Okay. How much we got? 10,725. 10,725. Okay, observe children. So first of all, what is calculated? Difference is calculated. The difference is 3,400 is got. To this difference, added, what is added? 7,325 is added. To this difference, this is the difference now. To this difference, what is added? 7,325 added. Then you got 10,725. This is the answer. Like this combination of addition and subtraction, we can show in the problems. Understand, children? Okay, children. Now, in the exercise 2.5, word problems. Here, fifth question. See the fifth question. APSRTC has 56,750 drivers on the day shift and 21,565 drivers on the night shift. And some drivers are temporary. There are 1,15,060 drivers altogether. Okay, students. How many temporary drivers are there? This is the question. Now, we have to give the solution. So, you have gone through the problem. So, now you mention what is given. What is given? Write as steps. See here. On the day shift, how many drivers are there? 56,000. So, number of drivers on the day shift, 56,750. Okay, children. So, you write now solution start. Number of drivers on the day shift. On the day shift, how many drivers are there? 56,750. Right here. 56,750. 750 drivers are there. In this problem, there are three types of drivers. There are three types of drivers. What are they? Day shift drivers and night shift drivers and temporary drivers. So here, number of drivers on the day shift mentioned. Come to the second step. Second step. Number of drivers on the night shift. Number of drivers on the night shift. Night shift, how many drivers are there? 21,565. 21,565. 21,565. Now, altogether, how many drivers are there altogether? 1,15,060. 1,15,060. So total number of drivers altogether how many? 1,15,060 altogether. The 3 points he mentioned in the problem. Okay. Day shift drivers, night shift drivers, and altogether total drivers given. What is the question here? Temporary drivers. How many temporary drivers are there? How can you find? First of all, you do one thing. Day shift drivers and night shift drivers. Add these two. Okay. Number of day shift, number of drivers on day shift and night shift, on day and night shift. Night shift. Add these two. Night shift to day shift to add. That means 56,750 plus 21,565. Show the addition in the rough margin. In the side margin, you show the addition. That margin work is compulsory. So 56,750 plus 21,565. Add. Okay. Add. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. So write 1 here. 1 is to be carried here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. Write 3 here. 1 carried. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Equal 5 plus 2, 7. That means 78,350. How much? 78,350. Okay, students. That we write here. 78,350. Okay. Total number of drivers altogether given. Now from the total, if you subtract this day and night shift drivers, 78,350 we got. If you subtract this number, then we get the number of drivers, okay, number of temporary drivers. How many temporary drivers? How many temporary drivers we can get? So you write here working number of, right here, number of temporary drivers, number of temporary drivers is equal to total minus, that means from this number. What is that number? Total altogether, how much here altogether? 1,15,060. 1 lakh, that means grand total minus day and night shift, minus day and night shift drivers, day and night shift drivers. So here what we do? 1,15,060 minus 78,350. After subtraction, you can get the answer. Okay, children. So here in the margin you subtract 1,15,060 minus 78,350. Do subtraction. Minus. Okay. So in the margin we are showing the subtraction. Minus means subtraction. Okay, children. 0 minus 5 not possible. Ask borrow from its before place. Then here 6 becomes 15. 6 becomes 5. 6 becomes 5 and 0 becomes 10. Borrow we are taking from its before place. That's why here 0 becomes 10. No, 6 becomes 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 5 minus 1, 4. Now we cannot subtract 3 from 0. That's why ask borrow from its before place. Then 5 becomes 4 and 0 becomes 10. 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 3 here 7. 10 minus 3, 7. Here what is there? 4 is there. 8 cannot be subtracted from 4. So ask borrow from its before place. So 4 becomes 14. 4 becomes 14. 4 becomes 14. And here 1 becomes 0. 1 becomes 0. So here 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8, that is equal to 6. 14 minus 6. Here, can you subtract 7 from 0? No, we cannot subtract. That's why ask borrow. That's why ask borrow. That's why here 0 becomes 10 and here 1 becomes 0. Okay, children. Here, okay, 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. Here 0. Okay. So 36,745. 36,745. Once again, check this subtraction. 0 minus 5, not possible. 10, borrow. 10 minus 5, 5. Here 5 is there. 5 minus 1, 4. Here 3 cannot be subtracted. So that's why borrow taken. So here 10, 0 becomes 10 and 5 becomes 4. So 10 minus 3, 7. From 4 we cannot subtract 8. That's why ask borrow. 4 becomes 14. Okay. And here okay. So here 0. because this number gave borrow, that's why. 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. Here, right? So we cannot subtract 7, that's why here take borrow. So 0 becomes 10, here 1 becomes 0. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. So 36,740. 745. 36,745. So number of temporary drivers 36,745. Okay, students. If you want to check your answer, what you have to do? Night shift drivers, day shift drivers, and temporary drivers, add all the three. If you add all the three, then you have to get 1,15,060 drivers. 1,15,060 drivers. Okay, children. So add shift duty. Check shift duty 56,750. Next, night shift 21,565. Temporary now how many came? 36,745. Okay, children, add. 5 plus 5, 10, 0. Here 1 is there. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 4, 16. 6, 1 carried. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 7, 20. 0, 2 carried. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, how much? 15. 5 here 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Correct? 1,15,060. This is the total. So your sum is correct. Like this, you can check your answer. Okay, students. Now, come to the 8th question. In the 8th question, what is there here? Mr. Roy earns 24,375 per month. Monthly yearly. Mrs. Roy earns 20,785 per month. Next. They spend 30,500 in a month. They spend. Find their monthly saving. Okay, children. So, problem reading is over. Now, you find out what is given in the problem. Mr. Roy, monthly earning of Mr. Roy. Okay. So, monthly earning of Mr. Roy. So, you write your steps right now, solution. Monthly earning of Mr. Roy. What is the monthly earning of Mr. Roy? 24,375. Mrs. Roy means here his wife. His wife's earning 20,785. So monthly earning of, you write here, monthly earning of Mrs. Roy. How much? Rupees, here rupees also right. Amount, that's right. Rupees symbol here. Monthly earning of Mrs. Roy. How much? 20,785. You do one thing now. They total and what is given? They spend 30,500. 30,500. That also right. First of all, from the problem, we should copy what are the given items, what are the given information, what is the given information in the problem. That we write after reading the problem. That's why this point also mentioned. They spend 30,500 rupees in a month. So monthly, okay, expenditure. This is called expenditure. Money they are spending. Okay, money they are spending every month. So money they spend. Money they spend every month. Every month. How much? 30,500 rupees. 30,500. Now what is required here? Monthly saving we want. So to find this, what you have to do? Mr. and Mrs. Roy total earning is calculated. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Roy total earning calculated. That means add these two, the two numbers. Add. Then you will get the total earning. The total earning you can get. That amount you subtract from the total, you subtract their expenditure. How much they are spending every month? 30,500. That you subtract. So by subtraction you will get the monthly saving. Okay, this is the procedure. After writing the steps, we should make a plan how to do. Okay. So what we are going to write now here? Total earning of Mr. and Mrs. Roy. Total earning of both we can write. Total earning of Mr. and Mrs. Roy. That is equal to add 24,375 plus 20,785. In the margin you can show the addition. 24,375 plus 20,785. Okay, children. 24,375 plus 20,785. Add 5 plus 5, 10, 0 here, 1 carried. 8 plus 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 6, 1 carried here. Okay, children. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 11. Here 1 carried. 4 plus 1, 5, 2 plus 2. That is the what now? Total earning of Mr. and Mrs. Roy. That amount you write here. 45,160. What is this rupees? This is the total earning of Mr. and Mrs. Roy. What is required here? Savings required. Their monthly savings. So, their monthly saving is equal to their monthly savings. How can you find this? Total income minus total income minus expenditure. How much they are spending every month? 30,500. Okay now. Total income minus expenditure. What is the total income? 45,160. From this subtract, what is the expenditure here? They spend every month 30,500. 30,500 subtract. Okay, students, now you see subtract. 45,160 minus 30,500. 30,500. So subtract. Okay. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 0, 6. Here we cannot subtract 5 from 1, that's why borrow from its before place. Then here 1 becomes 10. 1 here. Borrow take from its before place. Borrow is 10. 10 1 11. 1 becomes 11. 5 becomes 4. 1 becomes 11. 5 becomes 4. Because we are taking borrow from its before place. That's why 1 becomes here 11. 5 becomes 4. Now 11 minus 5 is 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. Here 4 minus 0, 4. Here 4 minus 3, 1. So 14,660. How much? Rupees 14,660. That is the monthly savings. Okay, students? You are all understand? I think you are all followed well. Like this, we can do the word problems. Okay, children?